Hi, got a little job I'm doing here. Just thought I'd show you how I'm going to get over drilling lots of repetitive holes in all these components I've made. Quick and easy. Got to drill these two holes at 70mm centres. You could use tools like this indexing head, but you're going to have to keep chucking the components. These are nearly done. I'm going to try and keep them as mark free as possible for the customer. So I don't really want to go chucking them again. So I've just made a simple jig over here on the milling machine. I've got a pin for the centre hole, which is centred on the machine. Locating peg there for the slot. You can literally drop it on. How quick and easy was that? It's not a hyper accurate job, so just enables you to get all these holes drilled a lot quicker than if you were putting each one in an indexing chuck. Well, I think it's quicker anyway. I hope someone might find this of some use.